is a little dusty. Mercedes carpet brought up onto the door panels down here. Upgraded audio. Alcantara. Headliner as well. Button steering wheel. Tilt wheel. Got the vintage air AC controls here. The heater does work. AC is ice cold. Headlight doors do work. Power window switches here. The backup camera does work. The Fessler flush-mounted glass is extremely well fit. Oftentimes you see fitment issues in here or down here, and it's just perfect. Again, same deal, you see it in those areas, but it's really nice. Power seats do work too. Quick. Do this one hand. Custom closeout panel. Adequate heat shielding. Ceramic coated headers. Relocated coil packs. This is a steel hood that had fab work done to have the vents added. Keeps the engine bay nice and cool.